Hey, what's up everybody? It's Chris with Committed 3D Tech here. I have been getting lots of requests to review Electroneum. So we're going to talk about why it is a really great cryptocurrency to get involved with and how it relates to XYO, Pi Network, and the like. So Electroneum is another one of those currencies that is a movement to bring crypto mining to the everyday person. So they started in 2017, and as you can see here, they have accomplished a lot within just 2 years. So it is a little bit different from XYO because XYO is focused on building a network that will be a utility. Whereas once again, Electroneum, like the Pi network, is a cryptocurrency. I believe they're going to work towards being involved in gaming and things like that. There are a lot of other cryptocurrencies that are similar to this one as far as what they're going to be used for. Now, the big difference between them though is when you're mining in the Electroneum app, it goes for 7 days. Whereas the Pi network, you have to click the button every day. And the XYO network, as most of you know, it is very labor intensive to mine a lot of that currency. Another really great advantage of it is that Electroneum can be converted from ETN into US dollars. You can use the platform KuCoin to exchange those. In addition to that, ETN or Electroneum is actually worth a lot more than XYO and a lot more than the Pi network, as you know, because Pi tokens are currently worth zilch, zero, nothing. When I first heard about Electroneum, I actually kind of pushed it to the side. I wasn't super interested in it. But I did check it out, and now that I've gotten involved with it, I realize Electroneum has a lot of advantages. From the fact that you can exchange it for US dollars to the ability to just mine in the background and not have to worry about it. In addition to mining for 7 days, you can also extend it after 24 hours. So let's say I click the mine button, and I close the app. I don't have to keep it open. It's just running in the background using very little battery from my phone. And 2 or 3 days goes by and I say, oh, I should extend my mining time. I go into the app, I click extend, and it extends it all the way for another 7 days from that point. So it's very low labor, low focus, and very high rewards. Because as of right now, I believe ETN is worth close to a penny, or maybe like half a penny, but that adds up very quickly. Now with this as well, I think it's really easy for people to get overloaded and say,
man, there are just so many tokens and cryptocurrencies out there, I don't know which one to be involved in.
And my advice, once again, I'm not a financial advisor, so take my advice for what it's worth. Absolutely free. With that being said, like any investment portfolio, one of the top things to do is to be diverse. Portfolio diversity is something that all of the top investors preach. And it's the same thing with cryptocurrency, especially these ones that are free. I say, make your portfolio diverse. Get lots of the different cryptocurrencies. Get Electroneum, get Pi Network, get XYO. Go on Coinbase Earn and learn about those cryptocurrency and just have some of those in your portfolio. You don't have to invest a single penny to have any of those in your portfolio. Just a little bit of time, a little bit of learning, and eventually they could be worth something substantial. Also, if you guys haven't yet, go ahead and smash the like button. The reason I ask is because when you hit the like button, it really helps with the YouTube algorithm, and that puts my videos in front of a larger audience and helps me to bring good content to everyone instead of just the few people that are subscribed to my channel. Last but not least, they do have a referral incentive program. So if you sign up using my link that I'll put in the description, you can get an extra 1% on everything that you earn throughout your lifetime of using Electroneum mining. I will also get a 5% reward, which is great. If you refer people after signing up, you can get that as well. So that's it, short and sweet, my review of Electroneum. I hope you liked the video. Once again, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel because I'm gonna keep coming out with more content like this, more updates, more reviews, so that you can have it for your enjoyment. Thanks again, and we'll catch you next time.